Best love is the kind that awakens the soul, plants a fire in our hearts, and brings peace to our minds. That's what I hope to give to you forever.
Been around the world and now I know that there is nothing left to
see, 'cause everything that I want in this life is standing right in
front of me, that I can't seem to breathe, 'cause you stole the air from me.
Knew you for about a week and instantly saw there was something
constantly inside my head. I can't convince myself it's nothing.
So I whispered in her ear, please never ever leave me, dear. I don't wanna know